Hi, my name is Arsan. This video is designed to make you understand about our project, which is Student Resource and Information System, which was done as a part of our requirement under Bachelor's of Engineering, Electronics and Communication from Nepal Engineering College, which is affiliated with Pokhara University. We have 2 other members and 1 supervisor who have relentlessly worked hard to make this project a success. The main objective of our project is to seek a sustainable technological approach for modern-day classrooms in order to facilitate teaching and learning. I'd like to begin this video by an interesting fact. A single tree can make 8,333 sheets of paper. That means if we could reduce the number of papers used in the classroom, then we can in fact save trees and help reduce global warming and the carbon footprint. Also, another issue that I would like to talk about is the health hazards in the common classroom environment. Well, markers contain toxic solvents such as xylene and toluene that can cause adverse health effects in the teachers and the students alike. Also, the overexposure to chalk dust causes serious respiratory problems. Thus, by use of technology, we can minimize the health hazards that occurs to the students and the teachers in the common classroom environment. I'd like to raise the issue about the classrooms being just a content delivery place where teachers comes in and just delivers content so the students can note it down or memorize it later for future reference. Is a classroom really just limited to those boundaries? The answer is obviously a big no. In fact, a classroom is also about knowledge, listening, thinking, engagement, understanding, curiosity, and interaction. So, our approach of a technological classroom environment emphasizes on these factors in order to create a rich experience for the teachers and the students. The digital classroom that we have envisioned uses audio-video equipment inside the classroom and a virtual learning environment that is available outside the classroom that can be accessed from the World Wide Web around the world and 24/7. That means the students and the teachers are not restricted to the limitations of time and space. Also, as a part of our project, we conducted public awareness campaigns that was used to inform the public about different classroom technologies and approaches that have been used over the time. And during this process, we leveraged the power of social media networks, and we do have a Facebook page which now has reached 181 likes, and the likes are increasing gradually. So more people are getting informed about different technological approaches in the classroom. Also, we have a Tumblr blog where we're posting different relevant informations and other issues regarding our project, and also a YouTube channel that features our videos and presentations. The classroom technology approach uses a Raspberry Pi computer which is hooked up to a display unit. The display unit is used to display different videos and lectures to the students. Also, the classroom technology approach has an input unit that the teacher uses to navigate across these videos. we have an audio amplifier unit that delivers sound to the students in the classroom. Our virtual learning environment is made up of a server that hosts these resources and materials that are required for the students in order to learn more about the subject of their interest or the subject they have to study. So this virtual learning environment is made possible by using an open source learning management system known as Moodle. The striking features of our approach in this classroom environment is that it is an open source system. That means we have the support of the community when we have problems regarding this running and deployment of this software in the web and even the hardware, with Raspberry Pi and other things. These are also open source. Another considerable advantage over other solutions is that our solution is affordable. It is the cheapest that money can buy. And another consideration is the power consumption. Our system uses the least power that is required in order to run a classroom technology approach. And the striking feature is also the easy deployment of our server and the hardware. It is very easy to set up, it is very easy to run, and this can be done in a common classroom environment without having to change other factors that are currently in the classroom.
Now I'd like to talk about why this NT award is important to us. This award is important to us because it validates our project, it gives us more confidence in order to launch our project, and also we will have a plus point on our reputation of the project. It is very important that technology be used in the classroom so that the students and the teachers can in fact enhance their teaching and learning experience and also provide new ways and new vistas to look upon into. The students and teachers can easily assess their learning materials and thus will have not to waste time on looking for the resources, but rather on studying them and on focusing on understanding these materials together in a collaborative environment. So, it is very important for us that we excel in this competition. Also, I'd like to put forward a few things, such as, let's see, okay, how we did this. We have used a Raspberry Pi computer in such a way that it acts as a media server. The Raspberry Pi is used to play back videos in the classroom. The Raspberry Pi computer has been loaded with a RaspBMC operating system, which is a mixture of the Raspbian OS and the XBMC OS. These two are combined to form the RaspBMC. What else? And now I'd like to talk about the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer that is low power consumption, and it also is affordable comparing to the price of other microcomputers. And why is it affordable, one might ask? It is also because of the processor it uses, which is the same as the processor that we use in our smartphones these days. The processor and the power consumption of the Raspberry Pi is 2.5 watts, so we can assume it to be feasible in places where there is no electricity and solar power or battery power has to be used. So even in remote places where there are schools can use this classroom technology approach in order to enrich their teaching learning experience. And the Raspberry Pi contains a SD card slot where an SD card loaded with the OS and resource materials is put into, and it's got a HDMI port that gives video output, and it has audio port from where audio output is taken, and also it has USB ports for adding different peripherals and a LAN port that can allow the Pi to be accessed or to be provided with networking capabilities. The online server that has been hosted, and with the help of students and teachers, by providing resource materials, we can create an experience such as the Khan Academy, edX, Learngilium and Coursera in order to provide massive open online courses to students from around the world. And we do sincerely hope that you will help us in order to achieve our goal of putting up a revolution in the education industry by helping us, by giving us suggestions, or just by promoting us. I hope, we do sincerely hope that you will help us. We do sincerely hope that you'll help us to achieve our goal in revolutionizing the classroom environment in order to create a rich experience for the teachers and students alike. And also we'd like to thank you very much for watching this video.
Teacher.